city never sleeps, so make no excuse. It's time to rise up and let yourself loose. All hands on decker before this ship sets sail. Hudson waters get choppy and someone will fail. Second City aims to prove that they should be first. Ain't the best in the north, but sure not the worst. They like to get dirty, but don't call them pigs. Better show some respect to Allen and Briggs. Can Marshall and Jeffrey make this their kind of town? Or will the boys called Gangrene set a trap, take them down? Will Cutler and Forte get this defense fooled? They can still get their kicks with a clutch Robbie Gould. Can Rex Ryan's offense blast through the cave? If not, what the folk? Nick's leg makes the save. Start spreading the news. This one's sure to have strife. A Big Apple showdown up next at MetLife. Hit it! Come on and get ready. Are you ready for some football? Monday night party! Yeah, let's get it kick-started. The Bears and the Jets, this got big market bite. All my rowdy friends are here for Monday night. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.